Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video I will teach you about the echo command in Linux or Unix based system. So the main page says display a line of text. So the echo command is used to display some sort of line of text, and you can do other stuff as well, and you will see that in this video. So let's get into it. First of all, I will go to my YT directory that I created for creating videos. So it is inside home, Tauseed, Zaman, and desktop and tests, and then YT. So let's try to do something with the echo command. So if you want to print something on the screen, you can do that. Let's say echo and hello world, and as you can see it displays that directly in the screen. So you can display text on the screen directly. Even you can display number as well. So as you can see it displays that. Now you can create some sort of loop with that as well. So if I type 1 and then let's say 10, as you can see it displays number from 1 to 10. If I change this to 100, it displays that from 1 to 100. Now you can write this to a file. So let's say nums.txt. Let's say one write this to that file. Now it is if I ls here, as you can see we have nums.txt file which will contain these numbers. So if I cat nums.txt, and as you can see we it wrote those numbers from 1 to 100 to nums.txt. And now let's say I want to write some other stuffs to this file as well, so you can do that as well. So let's try that again. Let's say I want to write from 101 to up to 500 to that file. So you can use single right angle, but this will override the whole text file, and if you want to append the text to the end of that file, you can use double angle. So nums.txt, and if I hit enter, now let's get that file. So num.txt, and you can see it contains number from 1 up to 500, and here is the 100, and at the next line they started from 101 up to 500. So that is text. So that is the echo command basics. Let's try to print just like numbers. Let's try to display alphabets from 1 to A to Z. So if I hit enter, as you can see it displays alphabets from A to Z. So if you want to do this from somewhere, let's say from M to Z, you can do that. As you can see, from M to Z. So these are the basic stuffs of echo command. Now you can do some string interpolation and some string styling. So let's say hello world, and it displays that. Now if you want to add some spacing here, they have some flags for that. So the echo command has some flags that we can pass, tag n, tag e, and some other cool stuffs as well for string customization or string display customization. So check out the main page of echo command. These are some other parameters that you can pass, and we can customize the output of echo command. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.